Click on Add Configuration. Fill in the environment name. Set a default home page. Choose language. Enable network proxies. Select proxy type. Open the HTTPMars Personal Center. The number of generated commands can be modified here. Choose the country you need. Choose the type of proxy you want. You can change the data format here. You can choose between the following delimiters. Click the Generate API link. Click the Open link. Copy the address and port. Go back to the browser and paste the address and port. Check proxy connections. Proxy connection successful. Click Save Settings. Launching the browser. So that's the proxy details.